What's up, guys? All right, let's get started on here. Let me fix my camera. All right, today we'll be working on All right, today we're gonna work on an extraction agent here. So we want to take HTML content and turn it to something that looks like this, something structured right here. So we want to be able to extract all of the plan data, free plans, all of its limits, as well as other tiers, such as team right here. We got $20 per month. We want this whole pipeline to work automatically. So if I just create a firstly, we'll build as a pipeline of extraction on the website. And the extraction, check this, then extracted data will be parsed to the pricing schema. And it will store as the JSON file, save the JSON file to our check the info folder, which then will allow us to save the parsed data to our MongoDB pricing collection, which we will then use for our front end as well. All right, so right now we need to work on this. So we have no pipeline right now. Click on a main.py file, which will firstly extract unstructured data from the website using Jina AI. Then the extract data would parse to the extracted data would parse to the pricing schema. And the way we do it is, so we can do it one of two ways. One way is to use this extractor agent that created using GPT-4o API to parse straight into JSON, right? Second way is to use it. The way is to use some agent to parse the data into a structured text format before parsing it to the parsing schema, right? Because the caveat to it is do we have enough just from the extraction to turn it into structured JSON data? If we do not, we want to create a two-agent pipeline that takes the structure, it creates a structured text format before parsing it, right? But right now, so far, I think we can work with the first way, which is to just use it to parse straight into JSON, which is fine. So that is what we're working on. So I have a bit of main here already set up. So I have a bit of main here set up now. We go down here to our main. We got one link in here, so we've been testing airtable.com. Extract and parse. All right. So extract and parse. Extract and parse. Okay. So we're gonna do, since the main is kind of outdated, we're going to use our composer here. At this extractor agent that we have working. And we're going to tell Cursor AI, use Jina AI to firstly extract the pricing pages in our URLs. And I have a format for Jina.ai that I wanted to kind of extract. So if we go right here, Jina search. You can't see this, I'm on my other screen, but I am looking at Jina where I'm getting the extracting code. So I'm going to copy his request. So our Jina request is going to look like something like this. Fetch Jina.ai, blah, 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 boom. Instead of, yeah, I'll make this bigger for you so you guys can see here. All right, so instead of using hard-coded HTTPS pricing, right? This is hard-coded. Use this part dynamically based on the current URL we are extracting from our main.py, right? So we want to dynamically do this because whatever we have here, we want to extract with Jina.ai firstly. Then after extraction, use our GPT for extractor agent to parse into JSON, right? Okay. And then after we are planning to save to our MongoDB. Although do not worry about saving to MongoDB just yet, because we need to make sure this all works, right? So, all right. So I think it's good enough. Prompt over here. Yeah, this should be good. Make sure we are also saving the file of extraction and then the first file somewhere in our extracted info directory or folder, right? Because after we run this, we want to make sure and test and make sure and look through and see what it exactly did, right? And then eventually after that, we'll get it to MongoDB. So let's go ahead and see what Cursor gives us here. Okay, blah, blah, Jina extracted content. Cool. And then process. Okay, cool. So let's see the type of changes we have here. Let's go from the beginning. All right. So we have extract content, Jina extractor. This thing's about right. URL, text to URL. This is exactly what I want here. content data equals our response, return, content title URL. Yeah. Okay, makes sense so far. So anything title URL? No, that's all we need, to be honest. Nothing changes here. So we have our extract the data, generate file name, service name, extraction. Then it's gonna dump the JSON, and then process the pricing JSON, return our extracting the content path. Okay, cool. Extract, save content, doesn't matter. Extraction data, boo boo. All right, let's just accept this. Let's see how this works. So we got our table here. Let's go ahead and run this. Boom, boom. Let's go ahead and run this. Main.py. Okay, never mind. Oh, okay, because I'm using this other environment. That's fine. Let's go ahead and pip it. Selenium. All right, give it a second here. All right, cool, cool, cool. So let's see this. Yeah, this should work now. We're not using time. We should be using time. Or is it using the time from? Let's just see how it works firstly. Go ahead and run this. Processing, extracting content. Cool, cool. Add debug, add logging where it is applicable, as well as logging from UBT for O to be shown when we run our main.py. For example, we want to see what. Okay. Gonna do that. Okay, so let's see. Extracting content, extracting parsing failed. Okay. Must be string that. Dictionary. Okay. We'll add that right after this logging. So we're doing this fast, but speed is king, right? I mean, we got AI. Why not? Let's use the speed. Oh, there we go. So yeah, it's getting the logger because I have a logger in our extractor already. There you go. So okay. Someone like invalid. Okay. We don't need that. We're gonna have it here. Might as well go ahead and. This should work. Okay. For URL, boom, 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 raw content, link saved. All right. Let's run this again. We'll get some. It's probably gonna throw an error again, but we will see some more logging. It'll be good for our cursor here. So I'm just gonna throw this error in here because I do not feel like going through all of it. Fix this error. All right. So let's see what a cursor tells us here. It's a dictionary, right? We're trying to write it directly to a file. Let's fix the. Okay. And since we're only working with 2 files, I pretty much trust cursor so far. Extract actual content, string from the dictionary, get text, if this instance. Okay, yeah, content text. So we're not turning into a dictionary anymore. It's just a string. So that's what it did. Switch from a dictionary using the square brackets to a regular string. So hopefully it keeps the same. Let's see how this works. Let's just see how this works. Let's just set boom, boom. Let's run that. Let's see. All right. All right, so we got extracting, saving, extracting, boom, boom. All right, so we've saved something. Okay. Extraction, table. Let's see. I have so much stuff here. So we got execution time, total tokens, estimated cost. Let's see. All right, so this is our extraction here. Airtable, nice. Description, category, collaboration, secondary database, cloud, spreadsheet, collaboration, SaaS, freemiums, Airtable. Okay, this is NLP stuff. All right, this is what's important here when we get into plans. All right, so we got a free plan, unlimited base, records per base, attachment space. Zero amount, obviously, we got those limits. All right, it's looking like it's missing some of. We got the discounts nicely here. Okay, but it looks like it's missing some of the limits. So for free, it's highlighting some of the features as the limits. So let's go ahead and give this a cursor. Let's go ahead and look at our. This is Airtables. This is the how the extraction looks from Jina for Airtable here. So we're gonna copy it and go ahead and paste it. So could you check out our example Jina extraction of Airtable, which is our raw content example schema, right? I want cursor to check this. Check this Jina extraction and check our output. So before I check it to see our output, I want to give it its. I want to give all of what we got in the console right here. Check our output in the console, as well as the extracted and parsed JSON output at, and our extracted JSON output is extraction data, extracted info. There we go. Boom, boom. So we want to give it that here. Boom. Wow, that looks weird. Okay. And check out our in the in that file. Compared it to, I think we are missing some of the limits and our output extraction JSON. Some of the limits are listed as features when they should be listed as limits. Make sure we get all features from the pricing, from any pricing page. Remember, we will be using this backend pipeline for thousands of different SaaS pricing pages. Therefore, it needs to be consistent, and as rich as possible in data for use later on. We will be using this JSON for things like our front end, for things like populating our front end and using it to fine tune open source models later on for doing the exact same extracting and parsing. But for now, we are using GBT for all API to get perfect parsing of the JSON to serve as our fine-tuning data later on. Because it is costing us money to run this each time. Costing very little, about 1 or 2 pennies, although the estimates in our console showed as a little bit higher. That's actually not true. It's actually about 1 or 2 cents. So I got about $5 to $10 of free credits to work with. So that's what we're trying to get, at least 300 to 500 of really good parse data to be able to fine tune later on and switch to a free model, right? But for my testing before and only using open source models, I was not able to get very good results. So this is why we're using these GBT agents at first. So go ahead and give it that. We can also go ahead and give it a lot more context to what we are building. So we should get some better stuff here. Let's go back to our main. Let's see what it kind of comes up with. No server issues. Excuse me, was I looking at the wrong thing? Because it says, let's see. Oh, it is basically, what was I looking at before? That's interesting. Okay, so where do we go over here? Hey, it looks like, oh, okay, so this is our extracted data actually. So our extracted and parsed data actually ended up here. Extraction. Which one is it? It's from today, so it should be 1229. So yeah, this looks like it. Let's get rid of output being and because we don't have any output here since our GPT-4 agent actually already saves its parsed data in its own file. All right. Okay, so I see what it did. It tried to recreate. It tried to instead of using our output from our GPT-4 extractor agent, which is what's that? As you see, it saves it already. So, yeah. But and it didn't change this. Okay, all right. Change our or edit our GPT for our extractor agent to be grabbing the URL from main.py. Make sure main.py GPT-4o extractor. And then the correct way. Yeah, because okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, yeah. Let's make them work together, right? Come on, you can do this, cursor. There you go. Return output file. Okay. Save raw content and links. Create intermediate extraction outputs. Let's go ahead and save that. Let's look at our main. Go ahead and run this main. All right, parse data. Let's see. There we go. Now we got what we needed. There we go. Look at that. Cool, cool. So now we got, yeah, we got all the limits right here, guys. How easy was that? We got the free data, free plan. We got our limits for users, so that's correct. The storage is correct. API request is correct. And we have other limits, so it did record the records per base. Awesome. Categories, basics, unlimited bases, about collaboration. Tools, interface designer, included a free plan. Cool. Team, okay. So you got the 20 per month, that's correct. Limits, there's no limits, so for users. Storage, got it correct. API request, correct. Other limits, limits, records per base. Cool. And then we got the features, unlimited bases, collaboration, mentors per, okay, foundation. There you go. Cool, cool. Business. Correct, 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 correct. And an enterprise, obviously, it's a bit different. All right, cool. So we got our parse Airtable now here. Cool. All right. All right. Check out our parse Airtable. And it's this one right here. And check out what we use to, and check out the text we parse from our so there's nothing raw content. Extracted info, debug. Okay. 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 So what I want to do is I want to be able to see what Jina extracted before I went and parsing it. So that's what we're getting. We're getting this here should look like this right here. Okay, so we're not getting that right now. So let's go back to No. Our raw content. There we go. All right. So before we do that, let's go ahead and show it to raw content, error table 0241229. Okay. We are getting this ends up empty. Our raw content from Airtable should be the JSON result of our Jina AI extraction. Yeah, there we go. This should be good. Yeah, because we just want our raw content from Jina to show up as JSON. Yeah. That's what we say for now. Okay, cool. All right, can you make sure this is JSON? Are we saving this as a JSON? Yeah, there we go. Okay. So this should be saved as JSON. Did we change anything here? We don't need to change anything here. No, you didn't. Okay, good. Go ahead and accept this. All right, let's run this one more time. All right, let's check out our raw content here. Boom. All right, cool. Now you're still saving us as text. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's saving it as a JSON here. We have any other links? Cool. We even get the links in here. Cool. Look at that. Yeah, we got all the links. Cool. So it works. We've got it pretty good. Let's run this for 5 different ones now. Let's try this. We go to main. All right. So we're gonna go to main here. I've got a list of pricing pages. Let me go get that. All right, let's see. I'm just trying to find these links. Let's see. What the heck? Where is what I'm looking for? I'm just looking for pricing pages. There we go. Okay, I found it. All right, let's go ahead and we got off zero. You guys have heard of it. Ooh, Appify. Let's take Appify. Boom. Sometimes this auto generate is annoying. Let's see, what else do I want? Some big mailer. All right. I've never heard of this one. Let's check this out. Some known and some unknown, right? We want some services that are known and some that are not. Ooh, Booking Koala. I'm gonna see how it works now with all these different ones. This is 4 for now, so it's not. We don't want to use up all of our free credits, right? Or just for testing, because we are going to have to run this for hundreds of Python pages once we get it right. All right, cool. All right, so fingers crossed. Let's run this. Main. All right, you guys ready? Let's run this. Let's do it. All right, starting extraction off 0. Extracted it. Boom. Let's see how raw content looks like. While it's doing a call to GBC, let's just check this out. That looked like it worked nicely. Cool. How many tokens is this? Oh, it doesn't tell us here. All right, well, we got the parse data for the first one, so let's go ahead and check it out. All right, off 0, powerful authentication, cool. ChatGPT did a nice job. Tags, security, authorization, identity management. Yeah. Cool. Free, start building for free with up to. All right, so we got some limits. Is it really? Okay, yeah, 25,000 users. Correct. API, 1,000 minutes. Other limits, cool. When I got the other limits, yes, sir. Good stuff. I was mostly worried about these other limits because, of course, running it for thousands of SaaS pricing pages, this is important, right? Because not everything is going to be API, storage, or user limit or compute limit, right? So you got organizations, a custom domain. You got some features, authentication features, nice, and it's got the categories. So what I was worried about is we have a lot of nesting in our JSON that we've got to put in. So I'm happy about this. Cool. So we got the prices. So the prices are correct. We've got the limits. Boom. Yes, professional. Cool. Database add-ons. We even got we got some add-ons. So what I want to do is let's go ahead and check out our parse JSON and check out their Jina extracted unparsed unstructured data and see if we are missing anything in our parsing in our outputs, right? Before I give it all of that information, I want to give it what my console got. So I'm just gonna go ahead and copy all of this. Boom. There we go. All right, now we're gonna give it. It's gonna take a little bit, but it's necessary. It's necessary. So this is the raw doggy extraction from Jina. Right. I'm gonna give it all of those raw doggy. Give it the raw doggy first. All right. That's what we're doing. Okay. Off 0. I guess we can give it and this is the parsed one. I'll take this. Parsed. Yeah. So we're just gonna do it for all 4 of them. Parse. We're on Apify. Processing, starting. There we go. parse to amplify. All right, we got 2 more. Big mailer right here. Big mailer was not found. Let's see. Link saved, processing file. I guess it wasn't found. Let's go ahead and open this. Yeah, there's no results. Actually, big mailer, that was not a correct pricing page. So we don't want it to go ahead and parse when it's a incorrect parsing incorrect page. We should take care of that first. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. I'm gonna save what I have here. So far, boom. Okay. All right. Extracted. Shoot, let me grab this. Okay, so processing file. So we're gonna go ahead and grab this, tell it our Jina AI did not extract anything from big mailer because the pricing link is invalid. Sometimes this might happen in case of failed extraction from Jina AI. We need to skip the parsing and just output in console that the extraction failed, and do not move to parsing with our GPT-4 agent if we are missing content to even parse, right? Go ahead and give it that. We're gonna take care of that issue because it's a lot more important right now. All right. Oh, we have 2 links of. I didn't even know that. Let's see what it added here. Return 99. Boom, boom. Yeah. All right, looks about right. We'll go ahead and accept this. And let's go ahead and try and run this on only those 2 links that we know are not going to work. All right. So let's go ahead and run this, make sure this works, and then we'll go over our parsing again, right? We'll test that, and once we test and safeguard our parsing, we should be able to run this on much more. Okay, let's run this on those invalid links. There we go. Okay, cool. So now we're skipping, right? We're skipping once we don't have any content. We're skipping, right? So perfect, right there. Oh shoot, I lost. Yeah. Let's see if I can control Z back all the way to what I had before. Boom, boom. Wow, control Z. There we go. All right. So now we can give it those parse, the ones that work, right? Those 2 links that work. Let's give it that parse data and extracted data to compare. Let's see what it says. Are we missing anything? Storage limits for each plant. Compute could more detail feature breakdown for plant. All right. I mean, do we trust Cursor? What are we out of here? So Cursor did some prompt engineering for us. Let's check it out. Always include compute resources when available. Sure. Okay. When available. Right. Build model category. Always included for the service type. Boom, boom. Now, note if there are usage-based pricing. Comprehensive feature extraction. Extract all features. Group feature catalog. Yeah. Include detailed description for it. Okay. Mind you that we also have a consistent schema to work off of, which is our schema here, right? So we have use cases. Oh yeah, I did add use cases. So I forgot to get this to our schema JSON. Follow that schema. As well as yeah, okay. All right, make sure to remind it to we have a schema. So I did forget about our use cases. So we didn't have that in our output. Add-ons, yeah, add-ons are use cases. Let's see, yeah, go. We do have a pricing schema format. Yeah, pretty much good. Let's test this out. Before you test this out, let's go back to our main. Let's go ahead and put this. And put that Appify again. And let's put in Calendly. Let's try Calendly. Calendly. I don't know how to say that. There we go. All right, let's try running our main right here. Let's see our result now. So I haven't accepted the changes because I want to see how this all looks. And even though I'm running it while not accepting the changes yet, it will still run with the new changes, so we can kind of test and debug. All right, so let's make a new call. Let's see. So it's processing this. So as you can see, journal was successful. taking a bit. Why is it taking so long? It should not be taking this long. Let me see. If it's processing this here, that is quite a bit long. Well, okay, so that worked. Save parse data. Let's check out. Let's check out this new parse data. Cool. Category: web scraping, data extraction. Yeah, data collection, web scraping. Good tags. Good tags. SaaS, usage based. Nice. Cool. Pricing metadata. USD, monthly, yearly, available. All right, so we got a free plan. Highlight feature 5 per usage credits. So we got $0, obviously. Let's see. Price. Other limits. Go. Why are all of our features null now? So we got all the limits correctly. Oh, there we go. Features, support, party chat, security. Cool. Oh, sure. Whoops. Oh, wow. We got a bit to unpack here. So I did have a Selenium extraction method as a backup other than Jina, just in case. But let's look at here what went wrong. So can I... No, Calendly pricing page works on my computer. It failed due to error 524. More than likely, they've got some type of protection. So, okay. Yeah, so our Selenium kind of put. Oh wow, yeah, it's a lot of. All right. So what we got to work on is our backup extraction, because when we do our backup extraction, we don't want the whole HTML. We want the inner HTML text, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and we failed to extract with Jina AI, and our pipeline tried to extract using Selenium, and failed to do so because Selenium took all of the HTML from the pricing page, which is huge. We want to give our GPT-4o agent respectable amount of tokens to parse and not the whole HTML. For our backup extraction using Selenium, let's make sure we are still We're still using, we're still saving the extracted data in the format that our GPT-4 agent expects, as well as only giving the text of the HTML data. So the inner HTML data, or as I like to call it, markup, right? We want markup text data, and not all of this HTML bullshit, you know? So let's go ahead and tell it that, because our extraction calendar was, this is the, all right, we'll just give it that. Let's see if we can fix our backup abstraction. So I like how each time we're doing a new pricing page, we are seeing all the edge cases, right? We are starting to see all the different edge cases that can pop up, and we're fixing it. So we clean the selenium. Yeah, I know I'm right. I know I'm right, cursor. Just be the junior developer that you are for me, and do this for me. Clean text. Okay, yeah. We definitely want to clean the text, so we want to get as least amount of possible. Okay, yeah, seems about right. So it's looking for the selectors that it might think it has pricing on it. If it doesn't find it, it's going to go back to that inner HTML, right? That text path and that body text. So that's correct. That's fine. Very good code. Get meta description. Clean context checkmates. Blah blah blah. All right. You know what? Go ahead and so now, since we want to test this Calendly part, we can go ahead and take away Amplify for now, since we know it works. Let's try Calendly, right? That's it. Oh my goodness. Yes, I want to take this damn space away. Oh my god. Okay. All right. Main. Let's just do Calendly right here. So we should see that it fails the Jina request, and then we should see it use the Selenium request that we've put in. All right. Cool. Yeah. So the Selenium looks nice. The Selenium looks good. Although we can get rid of these the slash ends, those are just new lines. But sometimes the new lines are kind of necessary. Let's see. All right. So we got some. Cool. All right. So we did get it. We got it. Got it here. Limited one event type, connect one calendar. We got a free tier. Oh, look at that. Look at that features, core features. Unlimited, one event type, connecting calendar. Cool. So we got a feature, standard. Boom, boom. We got the limits right here. Other limits, event types, calendar connections, up to 6 calendars. All right, awesome. So we've got Jina AI. We've got a Selenium that works nicely. And then let's see, core features, use cases, small business, like a efficient. Got discounts, got some features. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and look at our extracted data and then our parts data. See if anything is missing or if something is not aligned with our schema.json. So I'm just using the Claude 3.5 Sonnet to really do debugging for us, right? So we're gonna go ahead and give it extracted data from. Let's see. So we're gonna extract the info. And then our parse. And then we might as well give it our epify, right, from earlier. What the heck? That's fine. That's fine. Let's check this out. No, the extracting, so the price that wasn't fully captured. Okay. So I don't know, this case. Let's run this one time. Let's test it out. Interesting. It actually, Jina actually was successful in extracting the content this time. That's interesting, but I'll take it. Let's look at this parse data this time. All right. Updated. I reran the main.py and got this parse calendly. I got that, right? So here is our extraction for boom boom app, bam. Here's the extraction for it. Is this better parsing compared to our last run of the same pricing page here? And I will go ahead and give it that old parse, right? Wait, actually, make sure it's the right one. Yes, this is our old parsing of it here. And obviously we're gonna give it our schema again. Schema json. Yeah, they had more features. That's why I didn't like it. Yeah, you made me lose information, man. Let's see, this is okay. Okay. Uh, okay, cool. I like how it says never omit information that's previously captured. Because when we capture things for our limits, we don't want it to show up in features as well, right? We know the difference. We just need our agents to know the difference. So let's go ahead and run that one more time. We're not gonna save any of this yet. All right, so we got our parse data here. Let's see. All right, we got the users, event types, calendar connections. Cool. We got the other limits right here. Features. There we go. Send confirmation emails. Yeah, custom. There you go. Now we got the features there. There we go. $10 a month. We got the max users. Boom, and then we got the other limits. Integrations. All right, security, enterprise. You got the. All right, discounts. He did catch the discount. Cool, cool. All right, let's. All right. I ran this more and more time. Here are the results. Extracted data. Where's our extracted data? Extract the data. Parse data. Yeah, this is the parse data right here. Cool. All right, parse data, blah, blah, blah. Check it out now. Are we doing it right now? Let's give it our schema again so it remembers. Yes, sir. So it looks like, yeah. Yeah, we didn't get any use cases for it, huh? I guess the use cases aren't that important. How can we make sure? Actually, let's go ahead and accept what we have so far since we like the results. Should we add anything to our prompt to get some kind of use case results in our parse output? I guess this will be the last change, but I think so far we're pretty good. I mean, we did a lot. Let's see what it's trying to change here. I want to be careful now because now we've got what we want, you know. But let's see what are some extra stuff he wants to give us here. Use cases. Infer from plan descriptions and features when not explicitly stated. That's good. That's good. Good stuff. I actually like this. Okay. I guess we can go ahead and run this twice more. It's different. But we are about an hour in the stream, and this was my goal is to keep it for about an hour. So, all right, guys, this is it. Follow for more. More coding and do that sort. I'll see you guys next time.